Hey everyone, so this is a before shot of my kitchen, the countertops. So I was painting that day as well. I had a lot going on. So you put a primer down face first. So basically I used the white primer, the 123 primer. You can find it at Lowe's or the Home Depot. I hand painted each stroke with acrylic paint from like Walmart, Michaels. You can find them for 50 cents or a dollar. I basically used like a tan, a gray. I really was kind of going for gray, some gold, and some brown. So after you've hand painted everything on, you put your tape down first, of course, and make sure you don't mess up anything. You're gonna add some polyurethane, and you're gonna let that sit. You're gonna have to add several coats using a roller. I thought I had some pictures of the products I used, but I didn't. So here's the picture with the polyurethane, so it looks nice and glossy. But as it starts to dry, it doesn't stay this way, so I kept adding polyurethane. That was a mistake that I made, so I tried to get rid of some of it. So I made a few little mistakes, but they're very hard to tell. This was done about a year or so ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and I put hot pots on it, and it has remained, it has not chipped, it has not burnt or anything. So the polyurethane, definitely you want to get those coats in because you're allowed to put the hot pots and pans and things like that on it. So this is the finished product. Let me know how you like it. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.